into the box. So as soon as I would get a phone call right now. Ah, chao, por fin. Llegaste a lo bueno. Hey guys, why do I do two hands? Why can't I just be normal and not use my hands? Of September. If you guys, oh my god. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a Boxycharm unboxing. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. Boxycharm unboxings are one of my favorite videos to record because I have been a subscriber to Boxycharm for about 3 years now. So I absolutely am like a loyal customer. I love them. And every time a new subscription comes out, I'm like, I don't know, Boxycharm. So yeah, I'm here to do an unboxing. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, for whatever reason, it is a $21 a month subscription box. It provides 4 to 5 full-size products every month. And yeah, it's the best subscription box ever. So if you guys want to see what's in the box of September, then just keep on watching. There's always going to be this insert card inside. And what's in this card is basically some coupons on the back, which is awesome. So there is one for Laura Geller, 30% off, and a Dr. Brandt VIP offer. And then it has all these beautiful women. And the month, or the theme of this box this month, the theme of the box this month is called Wildflower. So when you open up this insert card, it has a list of all the products that are inside the box. So if you guys want to see how much the products are worth, how do you apply them, what they're best used for, then these cards come in handy. As soon as you open up the box, you get all these goodies. It's so exciting. And I'm really excited for this month. I already know it's going to be a good month. So as soon as you open up the box, this is the first product that I see is Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Blush in the color Tropic Hue of it. So it has like rose gold, kind of like burgundy. It has like a bunch of pretty reflex, and then it has a cute little mirror on the top. I love this. This is a winner. Okay, next in the box is this Lorac Pro liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Berry Red. I like berry. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow. Ooh, let's do a swatch. Oh my goodness, I love it. Yes, honey. Oh. You know what, Boxycharm? You already won. You won my heart. So the next thing in the box is this Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. Is it black? It's in the color Pitch Black. Ooh, not regular black. What the heck? Look how strange this applicator is. I have never seen an applicator like this. Stop. What? I know. Look at this, guys. It literally rolls on like a wheel. Like, oh, I'm trying this on. Oh my goodness, it feels so weird. Oh my god, I can't. That did not work out for me. My eyeliner is jacked up. Like, I don't like that product. That one, like, it's so cool and different, but like, what? Anyways, I'm moving on. That's so strange. Moving on, we got this palette right here, and this is a Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. These colors are right up my alley. Next thing in the box is what I am most excited for. I cannot believe they included this in this box. I am so freaking excited. The next thing in this box is this 3 eyeshadow brush set. This is the Ojitos brush set from Alamar Cosmetics. It retails for $18. Alright guys, and that completes this boxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this box. I cannot like get over how excited I am for this box. It was really good. The only thing that I'm like about is the eyeliner. I'm gonna play with it a little bit. Maybe I can use like this eyeliner for like half my lid and just like wing it out with a different kind of liner, because definitely doing a wing with that wheel was a fail. But I mean, it's pretty good pigmentation. It dries down pretty good. It's just like trying to make it work that like threw me off. But the overall value of the box was $119, which I don't think is bad because we got an eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, a brush set, blush, and an eyeliner. Like, we got a really good box this month. Boxycharm, you killed it. You did it once again. So yeah, that completes this unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ollie's like walking all over the floor, so excuse him. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.